I have my Blendtec ready. It looks like I have already done 529 mixes in this Blendtec. It didn't just come with this canister, but it also came with another one if I were wanting to blend, like make dough. But this specific one, you can make hot and cold. We have this, I guess, is like mixing, drinks, smoothies. That's the one I use a lot. It says you can make ice cream or sorbet. And this is if you want to chop something up. And this is for hot. You make some hot soup. Like I've made hot broccoli soup, tortilla soup in it. And then I throw little chunks of tortillas in it. And I actually have never used these two buttons. But anyways, it's a beautiful, wonderful machine. I have other components that I've just not used. So anyways, what I'm doing today is I'm going to make myself a smoothie. I'm going to put just a little bit of apples, a few chunks of orange, frozen lemon. I sometimes, if I don't use my lemon, I put it in a little plastic container and I freeze it. And then I have some ginger here, and I only have a little bit of celery, bummer. But anyways, my liquid could either be water or oat milk, soy milk. I'm going to put some flaxseed because I need some flax. And I've got frozen blueberries. And I'm going to put this hemp and protein fiber. So let me get started. I didn't take that label off. That looks funny. Okay. Got some ginger. Okay, let me put some blueberries in there. Sometimes I will make my smoothies really plain. Other times I kind of want a lot of stuff in it. I need to put some hemp. This is hemp and protein fiber. So I'll use that. Put a scoop of that in. And then definitely this here is ground flaxseed, which I like. And let me put some oatmeal. Non-dairy beverage. So I'll put like a little bit. I don't fill this up too much, as you can see, because it's just me who's having this. A little bit of water. My contents shows 16 ounces. I do like my beverages icy. One of the best features I like about this is that it does not have a sharper blade, and you don't have to take apart all of these components. You basically just wash it real easy. And the nice thing also is that you can just use a towel to clean it underneath. Super easy clean. I'm gonna put a soap and water in here. Look at this. This is the best. Love it. Had it for a while.